the first chart here. The second chart is the polar chart. Today, we're going to expand upon coordinate systems in the Tidyverse in ggplot. If you're new to RStudio and ggplot, install Tidyverse and then load it with library Tidyverse. So, common kind of chart to use is a bar chart. There are different iterations of bar charts that can also express other ways to visualize your data, particularly a polar chart. Now, this is still more or less a bar chart, but it takes a literal spin to your chart because it plots your data on a 360-degree scale. We're going to go through that today. Why am I using bar? Well, we're making a bar chart. We're going to put all of our ggplot within the data that we're making called bar. So we're going to make a data set called bar that's going to follow the parameters as listed here. Hence the arrow pointing towards bar. Everything here goes into here. Okay. ggplot, we're using the diamond data set, which is a preset data within R. Anyone can use it. Please feel free to follow along. So diamonds plus we're doing a bar chart. The aesthetic, X is the cut of the diamond, and we're going to color based on the cut of the diamond. We want to show the legend? No, false. We don't want to really muddle our data up so the legend will not be seen. Our width is 1, that's more or less setting the bar width. The theme aspect ratio will be 1, and our labels will not be existent because we do not want an X and Y label on a circular chart. So if we make this and make a bar chart, we can see on the coordinate flip, which means it's not coming up from the x-axis. You see your data coming from the y-axis. See ideal, premium, very good, fair, so on and so forth. We're here to do a polar chart on a coordinate system. We're going to compare both. So the first chart here. The second chart is the polar chart, and it breaks down from the center circle being 0, and each subsequent line further out is a greater quantity from 0 to 20,000 in quantity of under each of those cuts. The coordinates are the quality of the cut, and the particular region being shaded in color shows the quantity of each individual cut. And what this shows us here is there are a significantly higher amount of ideal cut diamonds than even, say, all the others. Premium, very good, good, and fair. So this is another way to kind of spice up your data. If you were to put it on a poster, it might catch someone's attention a little bit more than a standard bar graph. Some people would disagree. I partially think that you should stick tried and true to bar graphs as they do their job fundamentally. But polar charts can be fun and are useful in the right place in the right time.